Encountering the broadcast channel not available error on Instagram can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're eager to connect with your audience through this powerful feature. This issue typically arises due to 5 main factors. Understanding these will help you identify exactly why you might not have access to broadcast channels yet. First and most importantly, ensure your account meets Instagram's eligibility requirements. You need either a creator or business account, rather than a personal one. Personal accounts have very limited access to broadcast channels. Regional restrictions may also apply, as Instagram rolls out features gradually across different countries. Some features might not be available in all regions yet, even if you meet other requirements. App version compatibility is crucial for accessing broadcast channels. Using an outdated version can cause access problems, so make sure your Instagram app is updated to at least version 270.0 on iOS or 2.7.875 on Android. Finally, Instagram's gradual feature rollout system means that even if you meet all other criteria, access might still be delayed. The platform systematically expands access from select creators to wider audiences over time. Understanding these 5 factors helps explain why you might not have access to broadcast channels yet. The good news is that most of these issues have solutions, which we'll explore in the next section. When you encounter the broadcast channel not available error, there are several immediate fixes you can try. These quick solutions often resolve the most common access issues. First, update your Instagram app to the latest version. This ensures you have access to the newest features and bug fixes that might resolve channel availability issues. Next, switch to a creator or business account if you haven't already. Personal accounts have limited access to broadcast channels, so this change is often essential. Clearing your app's cache and data can resolve technical glitches that prevent feature access. This refreshes the app's stored information and can unlock previously unavailable features. If immediate fixes don't work, you'll need to focus on long-term strategies that address Instagram's eligibility requirements for broadcast channels. Long-term success requires building a substantial follower base and maintaining high engagement rates. Instagram prioritizes accounts that demonstrate consistent audience interaction. Focus on improving engagement through consistent posting, responding to comments, and creating content that encourages interaction. Higher engagement rates signal to Instagram that your account is active and valuable. Maintaining compliance with Instagram's community guidelines is crucial. Violations can prevent access to new features, including broadcast channels. Instagram's community guidelines cover various areas, including intellectual property, appropriate content, and spam prevention. Adhering to these standards is essential for feature access. While waiting for broadcast channel access, you can use alternative Instagram features to maintain direct communication with your audience. Instagram Stories highlights provide a permanent way to share important announcements and updates with your followers. Create dedicated highlight categories for different types of content. IGTV series offer another excellent alternative for regular content updates. You can create themed series that your audience can easily follow and engage with over time. Success with Instagram broadcast channels requires patience and strategic planning. Focus on organic growth, maintain high engagement, and consistently follow platform guidelines. These efforts will significantly improve your chances of gaining access to broadcast channels and other premium Instagram features.